Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on TechTube, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. Whether you're just on your free trial or you have used Amazon Prime previously and paid for it, you can easily cancel it. To do that, just log into your Amazon Prime account on your web browsers, which is the website of primevideo.com, and then click on your profile on the top right and then open up accounts and settings. You may need to again log into your account, so type in these details and click on sign in. Make sure that you are under your account and you'll see an option of end membership. Just click on this option and it's going to show you the exact date your membership will end. Now, even if you end your membership right now, you can still use and watch videos on Prime Video until this date. Now to cancel it, just click on end and your membership of Prime Video will end. And as I said earlier, you can still watch videos on this platform until the exact date that you started your subscription. So that was a quick and easy video. If you guys found this video helpful, subscribe and share this video. That's all for today, and I'll be back with more.